So, blessings and respect. Citizens of the universe. Morning, what are going on? Alright. I don't even know what I'm going to say about. I have a new phone, I try to test it out. I never remember what name. Let me see what I'm going. So, alright, this my record with. So, it name. And then a Samsung and an iPhone are them sitting there. And then an Android, and then an iPhone, an Android phone. So it name never settle. Oh, OnePlus. It name OnePlus Nord200 5G. See it? So I look. I use record now. I test the quality because them say 5G setting. So I do one video right now and about to post it in a few upon the YouTube. So if we can get some new views. You get what I'm saying? But also, I'm telling about my book again, because I don't hear about the book. I have to find the book. Yo. Never remember say. Never remember say, I don't have no pants. But, let me see if we can, hold on a second. Okay. So, people, I want to go check out my book. It's called Don't available on Amazon. It's only $14.99 for the paperback, $21.99 for the hardcover like this, the thick one, very thick. The next one, so there's some over there, so. But and it also available on Kindle version, $4.99. So check out book by Amaziyah. Well, Craig Kirkland is my real name. Who know me as Amaziyah the Great know already. And yeah, so like me say, I test out the phone and I want to see how it look when I upload. Also, I have a video out where I do a Boston show and the people really love what I go on, and I must say big respect to the persons who've been reaching out to me after the show. Big respect to, the Jari family, as me perform like recently, and it was a good vibe, a good feeling for say, when they're around Jamaicans who appreciate Jamaicans and appreciate the arts. Because some of we not support we, I don't know why. I can't understand why we should be supporting us more as a people, and when I do that something that we are our own enemies. And even last night while I was coming from New York, the thought slapped me. Don't look for a god or a devil for destroy the world. Look out for evil mankind who want move mankind in the earth for destroy us. Because us are our own enemy. We the people. Us are the most strength. You get what I say? And I think I want really go on. I saw one new bomb come up on me, I watch it, Yeah, man, I feel watch it. Open on a monkey box. I watch it. So as me I say, anybody, any group of people come together supporting each other, the strongest force on the earth. So my people, love the negative energy, love the bad vibe, and just come together on the greatness. Wanna not see over the years how much negativity surrounds certain things and it just collapse. Be great. Create a book or something. Create a movie or something. Create anything where you feel like you want to create. Just be great. You get to me I say? Big respect to my kids and my parents. I dedicate this book to them. And I'm going to read one poem named Disgusting. I see them glorifying and endorsing the devil's delight as if it's something nice. No, it's not right. It's disgusting. I will never sell myself just for likes. I am not perfect, but I don't hype. I share love. I speak light because the darkness is disgusting. As the clock ticks and time shift, please educate your minds quick. Marcus Garvey's and King Selassie's teaching. Try find it. You are powerful. Let me remind it. No need to war and kill each other. This wicked system, Babylon designed it. Rise and unite. Be successful. You will like it. Escape the disgusting frame of mind that your mind frames. Open your eyes. Please avoid it. Life journey has many mountains. Yes, you can climb it. Tell them precisely it's a great way to gateway while the sun shine. We make a big respect to all fans all over the globe. So please do go check the book out. It is called Don't Cry. And it has a lot of stuff. It talks about my journey. It talks about my struggles. It talks about so many different things. Motivation. Talks about upliftment. It talks about politics. It talks about it's a relationship advice. May it say that? And it talks about the youth them. The youth them. The youth them. The youth them. For our children to know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential. Time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, me not discuss and I mix up, me not partake. My heart aches, I can't take lies and pretenders all fake. And it's why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fearless among all human race. Notice this face, when I lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position, rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated as the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. One more point before I go, come here, close it at 10 minutes, we're not go far on that. For some, life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle. They get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life. I live to see another day. Please do go check the book out ASAP and support another great Jamaican poet, author, filmmaker, artist Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. The book is available on Amazon by Craig A. Kirkland. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Great ways to gateway. Tell them precisely. Big up all fans all across the globe. Love on them.